Hi there, come walk beside me into this beautiful garden. Are you still interested in herbal medicinals? If so, you're not going to want to miss my upcoming Beside Me Women's Retreat, where we're going to come in nature and take these things and make poultices and tinctures, as well as we're going to learn about food preservation and canning, and I will be teaching raw and vegan gourmet hands-on food instruction. This is a wonderful time to get away from the chaos, the stressors of life, even social media, to come apart and support one another and get a soul-soaking immersion in nature and with our God. If you need it, I'd advise you to look at the information below and get a hold of me, because I only have a few spots and I don't want you to miss this. I'm so looking forward to this time, and I'm looking forward to spending the time with you.